Retro.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I do my press-on nails and sealing it with acrylic. So stay tuned because y'all don't want to miss this tutorial. I'm going to be using these Kiss jelly nails, and I'm going to be using the Kiss acrylic, and I'm going to be using, I think that's LA Color nail glue. Yeah, y'all get the drift. So yeah, this is me taking these press-ons out the pack, and it was giving me a little time, but yeah, I finally got them out. And it's the acrylic and my little glue here. I've already filed my nails and stuff because I had some other nails on, so that's why y'all don't see that in the video. So I'm just going to start applying the nail. You want to make sure you press it up under your nail bed so it can look like it's growing up out of your nails. Not growing up out of your nails, but you know, like they're yours. Period. Okay, it's now time to seal the press-ons with the acrylic. And what I do, I go up under my nail and I put a dot of glue. You don't need a lot. Little goes a long way. Put a dot of glue, then I shake some acrylic up under my nail. Make sure you cover everywhere that the nail glue has went. Do a little tap tap, and then I'll do another tap tap. And I'm gonna do that to all my nails, including my other hand when I get to it. But yeah, just keep on doing that. Put a dab of glue, pour some acrylic up under your nail, do a little tap tap, then do another tap tap. And yeah. So yep, that's it. So when I tell you they feel firm, like, and these stay on up to like 3 weeks, maybe 4. So yeah, And I have completed both hands. I like these. These are so cute. I like the color too. Go try to find me some purple ones next time. But yeah, save your money, sis. Do your own nails. Maybe you want to have that nail salon experience and stuff, but if you ain't got it, you ain't got it. And you can always make them look like you don't went to the nail salon if you know how to do this right. But if you ever forget or ever want to show somebody, just like show them my video. Send them my video. Make it your favorite. But yeah, thank y'all for staying tuned. Make sure y'all tune in for more videos. Peace.